Hi, Insurance Frameworks has developed a number of project or situation-specific frameworks for the insurance and wealth management industry. This is the only fully integrated set of business capabilities, information capabilities and structures, value streams, business processes, metrics, and stakeholders for the insurance and wealth management industry. Let's look at what's included in the framework. First, we have a set of over 500 business capabilities with definitions and the information that gets created and the information that gets used. We have the definition of all the information domains, information subjects, and information topics. We have the integration that exists between the business capabilities and the creation and use of the information. We have all the value streams for the processes that we have defined in the models. We have 32 core processes with not only the sequencing of those processes, but as well as the activities that happen within the processes, the stakeholders that are involved in those processes, plus their definitions. We have the metrics that are used in those processes, and we have the metrics definition. We also have the integration map. This shows the interdependencies that exist between the different business capabilities in the organization, where the information gets created and which business capabilities use the information that is created somewhere else in the organization. We also have a much more granular perspective on where the information is owned and created. Plus, we have two books, one on enterprise business architecture, a 400-page book, as well as another book, which is also a 400-page book for the business processes. Plus, we have, for those tools that we have already imported, Panorama 360, we have all those models and integration points and business processes that are already imported in a tool such as, for instance, Sparks EA. If you are interested in such a framework, plus the import files, please send me an email and we will respond to your requests as soon as possible. Thank you very much.